All right, happy December traders. We have some exciting news for all of our prop firm automation accounts. We have finally hit over 100% in total profits. And I just want to break down some of the trades that we took from last week. Also, for all the people who weren't able to join for the previous prop firm automation, we're now taking on new members who wish to take advantage and become profitable in 2026. We are excited to reach new milestones each year. And without further ado, let's break down some of the trades.
All right, so here we go. We have finally hit 100% in total profits for all the members who signed up back in July. We were able to pass everyone's challenge, get everyone funded, and in less than 6 months, the account has now grown to over 100% in total profits. So right now, you can see the deposit, 200,000 profit. Here was the swap fees, here was the commission fees, and then now the balance is at $403,000. So overall, we had a pretty good trading week as well. We didn't quite hit 5 figures like the previous weeks, but we had some exceptional risk management, losing only small trades. You can see right here, 590, 840, and then a small loss of $60 as well. And so let me go over some of the trades that we actually took just from this past week and also in the month of November. So even in the month of November, with all of the volatility, we still had a pretty crazy month of profits. So you can see 1,360. This is the risk management that our team of traders are doing. So minus 380, you can see the losses are very small. The profit's pretty big, 1,700 there, 2,360 there. You can see the loss right there, 400. Minus 420. This was actually our biggest loss, I believe, on this euro dollar, minus 1,820. On a 200K account, that is about 1%. And with the prop firm automation accounts, we are only risking 1 to 1.5% a day, never anything more. And that is how we were able to grow this account to 100% with our risk management. So here was a buy of gold, 2032, and another small loss of 600. With these small profits right there, our team of traders actually decide to close these trades because it seems like it's going to be a reversal. So that's why you see those small profits like that. And then another win on gold. So it was all about gold this past week as well. And then another win on gold, 1,624. And then another huge win on gold. So it was all about gold this past week. And let me break down the trades. So just this past week, we did about $7,850. I will pull up my MetaTrader 5 and show you guys that it is exactly the same. The last trade, $1,264 with the loss of $840 and $60. And then the trades right here. This was a trade right there. 1,552. So it is exactly the same as my phone. If I go to the trades from this past week, you'll see that the profits are 7,850. 7,850, just like on my phones. We still had a pretty good trading week. We usually try to aim for 5 figures. Some weeks are just going to be different. We try to aim for 10 to 20% on our prop firm automation accounts, which we usually do. Some months we actually hit 20% on a 200K account, so that'll be about $40,000. But overall, the risk management this week was very good. Very proud of our team of traders. This is the experience of years in the market and in the prop firm trading space. We know how strict the rules are with prop firms and how important risk management is across prop firms. So if I go to the past 6 months, you can see in just under 6 months, we have done 100% in profit. Same thing as my MetaTrader, over 100% in profit. The most important thing with trading across prop firms is that you have to adhere to their strict trading rules. This max daily loss on this 200K account is 5%. 5% on this 200K account. But after losing 5%, just the stress and anxiety from coming back from a 5% loss is very stressful, and a lot of emotions come into play. And that is why we only take small risks and try to maximize profits. And here at Paradigm Trading, we have a different trading style. We don't use smaller lots, we use bigger lot sizes, and we try to take advantages in the market. We don't try to hit huge profits on each trade. We try to hit an overall higher win streak while keeping our losses minimal. So we have a different trading style compared to other people, but it is definitely a winning strategy, as you can see from the overall profits. And this is how we're able to manage the accounts for so long without blowing any accounts. We actually have a very strict system, and we do not trade with any kind of emotions, some with fear and greed. We use a system to protect our capital from our emotions, and we never ever break any rules, even when we lose a trade. For anyone who has actually traded, you know all about revenge trading, where you guys are upset about the losses and try to make up those losses. Here at Paradigm Trading, we actually have a very strict rule when it comes to trading every single day. And we use all of our tools and our expert advisors to give us clear indications while we're scanning the markets for all other macroeconomic news and geopolitical news, such as the Fed rate cuts. And that's how we're able to make consistent profits like this. So for all of the members who actually join, who actually purchase our EAs or our services, you guys will be able to join our community. Our community has continued to grow. We are now at over 608 active traders. We're hitting close to $4 million in total payouts. And right now, just for the month of December, here is our leaderboard with all of these members who are securing 5-figure payouts. And the members who joined this past year, most members are now funded across multiple prop firms, some with trading capital of close to $1 million. So once you guys join, you guys will have access to our community. You guys can just log in. And for this member, you can see that this is his trading dashboard. For this member, he has joined since July. He has also secured over 6 figures in payouts. He is now funded across 3 different prop firms from E8 Markets, FXify, and FTMO. And for this prop firm automation, we can automate any of your favorite prop firms. You should head on over to propfirmmatch.com and choose a prop firm that is right for you. You guys will also be able to join our trading discussion group for all of our VIP members. Just this past week, a couple of our members were able to secure some payouts as well. One from FTMO and another member from FXify for $16,000. So if you guys are trading with small live capital of, let's say, $500 or $1,000, it is not enough to sustain and make a monthly income. Right now, FTMO seems to have a discount on their 100K challenge. You guys should take advantage of any discounts that these prop firms are offering. And even if you guys are trading on a $100,000 or $200,000 account, again, with our prop firm automation, we try to aim for 10 to 20%. That would be $10,000 to $20,000 on the 100K account. That would be $20,000 to $40,000 on your 200K account. And the best thing about our prop firm automation service is that all of our EAs, whether it's a US Dirty Trading bot, our FX Goliath bot, our Gold's Trading bot, all of it is inclusive in the package. It is all free so that you guys can also practice with it and use our EAs on your live capital to make extra income in 2026. If you guys are also interested, make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. We make weekly updates on our prop firm automation service. You guys can check out this video right here. And we were only at about 60-something% on this video. Well, we have now hit over 100% on our prop firm automation accounts. If you guys would like to get funded, pass the challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade the accounts for you. And if you are interested in automating your prop firm accounts, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on getting funded with your prop firm.